Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw BNB from Bitrue to Trust Wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will help you move your funds securely and efficiently. Why do this? Trust Wallet gives you more control over your assets, and with crypto evolving fast, it's essential to stay updated. Let's dive right in. First things first, ensure you have both your Bitrue account and Trust Wallet app ready. Start by logging into your Bitrue account on their website or app. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section. This is where you'll see all your holdings, including BNB. Next, select BNB from your asset list and click on the Withdraw option. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Now, here's a crucial step. Open your Trust Wallet app, go to the BNB wallet, and copy the receiving address. Make sure it's the correct network. BNB on Bitrue is usually on the BEP20 or BNB Smart Chain, so double-check that matches in Trust Wallet to avoid any issues. Paste the address into the withdrawal form on Bitrue, then enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal limits and network fees, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. Review all the details carefully. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Hit the Confirm button, and you'll likely need to verify this through email, SMS, or two-factor authentication for security. Once confirmed, sit tight as the transaction processes. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Finally, head back to your Trust Wallet app and refresh your BNB balance. You should see the funds arrive shortly. And just like that, you've successfully withdrawn your BNB. In 2025, crypto platforms might have slight updates, so always check for the latest guidelines on Bitrue's site. If you run into any hiccups, reach out to their support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.